fútbol. Forza el fútbol.
So yeah, I like FPSs. What can I say? There's nothing like the rush of hunting people down and killing them. I mean, my heart's beating, my hands are shaking, but I'm still shooting, and I'm still getting the headshots. It's like boom, headshot, boom, headshot. I'm still getting the shots. It's like boom, headshot, boom, headshot, boom, headshot. I'm still getting the shots. It's like boom, headshot, boom, headshot, boom, headshot. I'm still getting the shots. It's like boom, headshot, boom, headshot, boom, headshot. I'm still getting the shots. It's like boom, headshot.
I'm the king of the ring when I'm in the arena, cause I'm beating everybody like when I beat Tina. I can throw down with the campus mentality. The gloves wouldn't stop till your whole camp's reality. Sticky bombs flying all over the place. If I find your body, you know I'm humping your face. Duck walking with my heavy machine gun. The words on your screen, you were killed by Z1. Yeah, come and run my direction. I don't give a damn if you got double protection. It's a fatal attraction. I'm white fatality, plays Quake and not Red Faction. Posted on a rock, sniper rifle in hand. Your forehead's in sight, all according to plan.